When customers eat my food, their first reaction is, "Are you sure it's gluten-free?" I started Wholegreen Bakery 10 years ago. SunRice has probably been on this journey with me for the last 10 years. I started because I was diagnosed celiac and my youngest daughter was also diagnosed. I really wanted to make delicious food that just happened to be 100% gluten-free. I wanted it to taste real. I wanted to make everything from scratch. I didn't want it to have an aftertaste. The secret ingredient to my delicious baked goods is definitely the flour blend. And in that flour blend is the Australian grown SunRice brown rice flour. It's a premium flour. I think my products are quite different to a lot of other gluten-free baked goods available. The biggest difference would be the flour blend. To create delicious gluten-free baked goods brings that joy back into people's lives, which is really what they thought they've lost. And for me, that's really important, evoking that emotion.